Describe an occasion when you waited a long time for a nice things. You should say when it happened, what the nice thing was, how long you waited, why you waited for a long time, and explain how you felt about the experience. There are many situations in life when we have to wait. Sometimes it is in our hand, or sometimes we wait because it is not in our hand. I'd like to share one story which occurred in my life when I took decision. I want to purchase one motorcycle. I had a bicycle with major problems. Most of the time I couldn't ride it properly, so I waited till I had saved enough money for it. In 2020, 12 October, it was my 23 birthday, so my father gave me some money, near about 20,000 BDT, and I also saved money, 15,000 BDT. When I tried to save money, I totally stopped to purchase any other goods for me. That's why I will able to able to save this money. And my elder brother also gave 30,000 BDT, and I saw many videos related with motorcycle. From them I chose one motorcycle, which is the Pulsar motorcycle, because it was very popular in our country. And me and one of my brother went to the market and purchased this motorcycle, and it was the best motorcycle, and its color was color works black.